Step into the 2009 Hyundai Sonata. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Hyundai infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.